Now let's begin with sun salutation. We will be doing 5 rounds of Shivananda Surya Namaskar with a variation. Ashtanga A about 4 rounds and 3 rounds of Ashtanga B. So it will be 5, 4 and 3. We will add variations in between, flow with the breath. After every set of Surya Namaskar, we'll take a short break. Come to the front edge of your mat, feet together, toes touched in each other. Keep the chest lifted, roll the shoulders back, palms at your heart center. Inhale, stretch your arms from the front, palms facing each other, lift the chest, bend back. Exhale, bending from your hips, fold forward. Inhale, take your right leg back, right knee off the mat, left knee and ankle in one line. Lift the chin, slightly look up. Hold your breath, left leg back to plank. Exhale, knees down, chest in between your palms, chin down, elbows close to your body. Inhale, slide forward, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lift your hips up, Parvatasana. Inhale, right foot in between your palms. You'll walk your fingertips slightly forward. Lift the left leg up like a standing split. Stretch the left toes up. Exhale, left foot forward. This will be the variation. Inhale, lift your arms from the front, bend back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step the left leg back, knee off the mat. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left foot forward. Walk your palms slightly ahead. Lift the right leg up. It will get better in the coming rounds. Exhale, right foot forward. Round 2. Inhale, lift the chest, stretch your hips. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, right leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, right foot forward. Lift the left leg up. Every round, see if you can lift the leg higher. This will help as we are working towards a peak pose. Exhale, left foot down. Inhale, stretch the abdomen by lifting the chest up and back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, left foot forward. Lift the right leg higher. Every round, put in a little effort to stretch the right leg up. Exhale, down. Round 3. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, right foot forward. Lift the left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, arms facing each other. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left foot forward. Lift the right leg up. See if the tightness around your hips is getting any better. Exhale, down. Round 4. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, right. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, right. Lift the left. Exhale, down. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left foot forward. Lift the right leg. Exhale, down. One last round. Inhale, lift the chest up and back. Exhale, fold, round 5. Inhale, right leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, right. Lift the left, hold it here. Now bring your fingers in line with the toes and lift the leg higher for 5, 4. Stretch the leg. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Lift the right leg up. Once you lift the right leg up, bring your fingers in line with the toes. Lift it higher. Hold. Point the toes up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch your arms up and back. Exhale, arms beside your body, Samasthiti. Separate your feet, separate your arms, close your eyes. Stay still. Just a short break. Feel your breath. Flexibility helps to improve the range of motion in the joints, thereby reducing injuries, less pain in any physical activities you do. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes. Ashtanga A, we do about 4 rounds. Now take your right ankle over the left. Let there be space between your feet. Inhale, stretch your arms from the sides. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms up. Exhale, lateral stretch to the right. Stretch the sides of your body. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Press the feet down. Inhale, center. Release your arms. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Now uncross the legs. Inhale, Ardha Uttana, flat back. Bend your knees, hold your breath, jump or step back, plank. Feet hip width apart. Exhale, Chaturanga. If Chaturanga is challenging, place your knees down. If you're not comfortable in this, you will go to Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana, knees and thighs off the mat, lift the chin, look up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shvanasana, downward facing dog, feet hip width apart. 3 breaths. End of your exhalation, look in between your palms, jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, Uttanasana. Inhale, as you stretch your arms from the sides, take the left ankle over the right, interlock your fingers, turn the palms up. Exhale, lateral stretch to the left. Keep your arms straight. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, arms from the sides, Uttanasana, fold forward. Uncross your legs, inhale, Ardha Uttana, jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga or knees, chest and chin. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths in down dog. End of 3, look in between, jump or step, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, cross your right ankle over the left, interlock your fingers, turn the palms up. Exhale, lateral stretch to the right. Stretch the sides of your body. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Every round, go a little more deeper. Inhale. Exhale, Uttanasana. Uncross your legs. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump, step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. 1 last round. Inhale, arms from the sides, left ankle over the right. Interlock, stretch the palms up. Exhale, lateral stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale. Exhale, Uttanasana. Uncross the legs, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 3 breaths. After Ashtanga A, we'll not take a break. We'll do Ashtanga B and then take a break. So hold down dog for a few more breaths. End of your exhalation, look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we do 3 rounds of Ashtanga B. Just have a look once. Once you get into Utkatasana, this will be your inhale. Exhale, chest to your thigh, arms back. Inhale. So it's just your upper body which is moving. Your lower body remains fixed. We do that dynamic for 3 rounds and the rest remains the same. Feet together, palms at your heart center. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, chest to your thigh, arms goes back. Inhale, arms up, lift the chest. Exhale, chest to your thigh. 1 more round. Inhale. Exhale. From here, rest your palms down. Uttanasana. Straighten the legs. Inhale. Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath. Jump or step back. Plank. Exhale. Chaturanga. You know the options for Chaturanga if you're not able to do. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right foot in between your palms, your left heel grounded, arms from the sides, Virabhadrasana 1. Your hip is facing forward. Exhale, palms down, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot forward, right heel grounded, Warrior 1. Sink the hips. Let the palms face each other. Exhale, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 3 breaths. End of 3. Look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, bend your knees, Utkatasana. Exhale, chest to your thigh, stretch the arms back. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, on your thigh, active arms. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, chest on your thigh. Release the palms down, straighten the legs, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right foot forward, left heel grounded, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left foot forward, right heel on the mat, Warrior 1. Exhale, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 3 breaths, one last round. Stay with me. Look in between. Jump or step. Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Keep your knees together. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, stretch the arms back. Inhale, exhale. Rest your palms on the mat, straighten the legs. Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right foot forward, left heel grounded, warrior one. Exhale, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot forward, right heel grounded, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Hold down dog for 3 breaths. End of 3, look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. Separate your feet and your arms. Close your eyes. Stay still. Feel your heart rate. Feel the warmth within your body. Once the muscles warm up, it is better for us to stretch a little more. Consciously bring your breath back to normal. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes.